Hello students, welcome back to your e-learning science class preparatory. Are you ready for this class today? This class we will do one spelling. The animal lesson is this, and what we will do, you know, this is the animal lesson, and we learn the spelling, that is, you know what is this? What is this? Rhino. Short form rhino. It is rhinoceros, and we learned this spelling very carefully because previous day online class already we learned hippopotamus spelling, and in this video we will do the rhinoceros spelling. Okay, so and again we learned the squirrel spelling. Okay, so rhinoceros spelling. Let's start. What is this? This is R. Then H. R-H. I. Ray or Ray, whatever we will take. Ray. No. N-O. No. Rhino. I'll make it differently. No. N-O. No. Ceros. C-E. Say Ros. R-O-S. Rhinoceros. Okay. So now we will togetherly do this one. Then we learn the spelling very carefully. R-H-I. Ray. N-O. No. C-E. R-O-S. Rhinoceros. R-H-I. Ray. N-O. No. C-E. R-O-S. Rhinoceros. R-H-I. Ray. No. N-O. No. Rhinoceros. C-E-R-O-S. Okay. Rhinoceros. This is a big spelling, so that's why that time I told you, when previous the class was, that time I told you that hippopotamus and rhinoceros spelling will do after that class separately. Today now again we will do one spelling, that is squirrel. Again we learned this spelling at first. R-H-I. Rhino. N-O. C-E-R-O-S. Okay. Rhinoceros, and another is squirrel. Squee. S-Q-U. What is this? Squirrel. This is the squirrel. It is a very small animal. Okay. S-Q-U. Squee. S-Q-U-I. Squirrel. R-R-R-E. L. Squirrel. So S-Q-U-I. R-R-E-L. Squirrel. Okay. This is a spelling rhinoceros and squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. These two big spelling he will learn very carefully. Another is hippopotamus. Okay. Now today what we will do? In this video we will do something regarding drawing. Okay. What you will do? You will do a rat, a cat. This is very easy. Just like this, make half circle here. Okay. Then put this eye. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A smiley is there. Here one ear and another is ear. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, rat's leg like this, a triangle corn type, and here its tail. You do like this by yourself and color this one. Okay, this is the rat and you will write down the spelling. That is rat, and do it very carefully. And another is cat. What we'll do? We'll put one circle that is oval shape, then we will make the cat just like this. Okay, do like this, and you just put 2 ears, 2 eyes, then legs, one, two, three, 1, 2, 3, and its tail. Now your cat is ready. Okay, you will also do like this and write down C-A-T, cat. Okay, these 2 pictures you will do very neat and cleanly. And if we do like this, and I'll do just like this. Okay, so now what is the name of this place, you know? This is lion. L-I-U-N. All the things you will do it by yourself and color it. Okay, so this is for today, and next video or next class again we will meet. Till now, tata.